Hey, before we start off, I want to friendly ask you to like, subscribe, and click on the bell! Now let's continue with this video. In this video, I want to explain to you what Heikin Ashi candles are, what the benefits are, and why you should use them. Over here, you can see the Bitcoin chart in Tradingview on the 4-hourly time frame, and I will show you the difference between normal candles and Heikin Ashi candles by setting them up next to each other. So now you can see over here, it's zoomed in a little bit different, but this is about the same. Over here, now you can see I have the 4-hourly time frame from Bitcoin, and over here in this screen you can see I have set it to the Heikin Ashi candles. And over here, if you click on it and then go to the candle type, then you see that are regular candles. If you don't know how to select a bar style, you can go over to this drop down arrow over here. You can see bar style. When you hover over it, click on it, and there you can select the bar type that you want. So over here you can see the Heikin Ashi, you can see the line, and also the regular candles. And by selecting the favorites option, by hitting the star icon, then you can also display the icons over here in the toolbar, so you can select them even faster. These are the Heikin Ashi candles. These are the regular candles, same chart, same time frame. Over here in the Heikin Ashi view, you can see that red candles followed, and then as soon as the first green candle happened on the chart, after that you see the uptrend all the way up to this point. After that, a lot of green candles again all the way up to the upside, and after that, when the first bearish candle showed up, big downtrend to the downside. And the difference between the Heikin Ashi candles and the normal candles is that you can see that the normal candles changed a lot more color in these choppy zones, in these ranging zones. So you see red candle, green candle, red candle, green candle, red candle again. And after the red candle, you see a big green candle to the upside, which started the uptrend. So the regular candles will give a less clearer view on the market, and the Heikin Ashi candles help you to cancel all that noise out, and it gives a better picture of how long you should stay in a trade, how long the uptrend is still valid. I won't go too much in detail on how the formula is of the Heikin Ashi candles, how everything is calculated. There are a lot of more tutorials on YouTube to find about that topic, and also if you Google it, then you will see the answer right away. But I want to make things as easy as possible, easy to understand, and just learn the basic things, learn how to use it, learn what the benefits are, and not go too much in detail on all the geeky stuff. If you really want to understand the difference between the Heikin Ashi candles and the normal candles and the way they react to the market, my suggestion is go to Tradingview, select the different bar types, and just compare how the candles reacted in the market. So that was everything for this video. I hope you found this video helpful. If that's the case, I want to friendly ask you to like, subscribe, and click on the bell! Thanks for watching, have a nice day, and I hope to see you back again in another video.